Today, let's understand this card in the simplest way possible. If you look at this card, you will see an angel in the sky, blowing a trumpet. The sound of the trumpet represents a call, a moment of awakening or realization. The angel is holding a flag with a red cross on a white background. This flag represents truth, clarity, and awakening. It shows a moment where something becomes clear and a new beginning starts. Below, you can see people rising from coffins, with their arms raised upwards. You can see men, women, and even children, all looking towards the angel. This shows awakening and renewal. They are not physically rising, but it represents a personal or inner awakening, a moment where you understand something deeply. The presence of people of all ages shows that this realization is universal. It can happen to anyone at any stage of life. In the background, you can see water and mountains, which represent emotions and higher understanding. The overall atmosphere of this card feels powerful and awakening. It is not negative, but it is a strong moment of truth and realization. This card is about awakening, realization, and transformation. It shows a moment where you see things clearly and are ready to move forward in a new way. This is the Judgment card. If this card comes upright, it shows awakening, realization, and clarity. You may understand something important about your life. If this card comes reversed, it shows self doubt or ignoring a realization. You may be avoiding a decision or not listening to your inner call. Yes or no. If this card comes upright, it is a yes. If this card comes reversed, it is a no, or not yet. Planet energy and chakra. The planet associated with this card is Pluto, representing transformation, rebirth, and deep change. The energy associated with this card is air, representing awareness, realization, and clarity. The chakra associated with this card is throat chakra, representing expression, truth, and inner calling. Career studies. If this card comes upright in a career reading, it shows a realization about your path. You may understand what you truly want to do, or feel called towards a new direction. It can also show important decisions that can change your career path. If this card comes reversed, it shows hesitation. You may be unsure about your direction, or ignoring what you already know inside. Love emotions. If this card comes upright in a love reading, it shows clarity and realization in a relationship. You may understand your feelings clearly or decide what you truly want. It can also show reconciliation or renewal in a relationship. If this card comes reversed, it shows confusion or avoidance. You may not be ready to face the truth in your emotions. Health. If this card comes upright in a health reading, it shows awareness and realization. You may understand what your body needs and take steps towards improvement. If this card comes reversed, it shows ignoring signals. You may not be paying attention to what your body is trying to tell you. General guidance. If this card comes upright, listen to the call. Trust the realization and move forward. If this card comes reversed, reflect and be honest. Do not ignore what you already know inside. So, when the truth calls, you cannot ignore it forever. Judgment reminds you that awakening is the first step towards a new beginning.